नहीं हो पा रहा है गाइस, ये व्लॉग ही नहीं हो पा रहा है। मुझे लगा मैं कर पाऊंगी, रोज़ रोज़ इतना लेक्चर देती हूँ बच्चों को कि ये करना है, अगली बार ट्राई करूँगी। इस बार कर दो। खुश हो गया। Hi guys, welcome to What is Girl Vlogs. I know it sounds funny, but yes, you're watching a girl driving the Volkswagen Virtus. So yes, today I'm going to tell you a story about how I ended up buying this particular beauty at the age of 25. So yes, I always wanted to buy a car, but it was not really decided whether I wanted to buy a Virtus or specifically Volkswagen. So me and my dad one day were sitting together deciding which car to buy, and I had almost finalized Nexon, though top model, but yes, that's when my dad said that it is going to be your one-time investment, make it worth the while. It is going to be your lifetime memory that this is your first purchase, a car. So yes, that's when I decided to go for my dream car, and we started looking for the perfect beauty. So here and there, after searching, I was not really sure of going for sedan cars, mainly because of the roads and the ground clearance. But that's when we found this German beauty, and yes, that's when I got this on board. That now coming to the fact that majority of the people have concluded that I have got this car through network marketing. नहीं भाई, एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया था नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, लेकिन मुझसे ने तो नहीं हो पाया, वो लेवल का पेशेंस मुझसे बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाया. So I stuck to my original profession of becoming a maths professor, and somehow managed to get this on board. This dream to come true. I have been working at the age of 18 ever since I got my license.
I was studying simultaneously and working simultaneously, doing all sorts of jobs, whatever came in my way. I did hosting, I did shows, I took private coaching, I was taking tuition classes, then I was also working towards my career that time. And especially the last 2 years were pretty crazy. I was working for like around 12 to 13 hours full day. I barely survived those 2 years, I swear. But
हाँ, उसी से तो ये ब्यूटी कमाई है मैंने. तो हाँ, इस जर्नी का स्टार्ट कुछ वैसे ही हुआ है. बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल्स किए हैं. नॉट एवरीवन गेट्स इनटू इजी मनी. वी हैव स्ट्रगल अ लॉट. सब लोग अपनी बातें बताते नहीं हैं. आई फेल लाइक टेलिंग माई स्टोरी टुडे. सो यस, सी गाइज, मैं मोटिवेशनल बातें तो ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाती हूँ. हाँ, करना पड़ता है, मेरे प्रोफेशन में है. लेकिन आई वुड टेल यू वन थिंग, that if you are a regular person, a normal person without any business, without any network marketing ka idea that way, and you are doing a normal job, it is only possible to crack something like this when you are not dependent upon a single income. आपको दूसरा कोई तो सोर्स ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा to make this come true. So ऐसा ही कुछ है मेरी स्टोरी. ज़्यादा तो इस व्लॉग में मैं नहीं कह पाऊँगी, क्योंकि ये मेरा फर्स्ट व्लॉग है, और दिस इज़ माई ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 10th टेक, एंड आई स्टिल डोंट नो वेदर दिस इज़ गोइंग टू वर्क आउट. सो येस, दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि हाउ अ गर्ल एंडेड अप बाइंग दिस sports car, so to say, where boys are crazy about it. But yes, that is how I have done it. Chalo, see you in the next vlog. Bye.